Remove elements. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. What does in place mean? The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So we're given an array of integers called nums, and we have an integer called val. We have to remove all duplicates of val in nums. So if we have an array of 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, and val is equal to 2, we have to remove all 2's in that array, and then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Okay, consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val bk. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of nums contains the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Then return k. Okay. Change the array such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size. So we will take the elements that are equal to val and we will put them in the end. Okay. Then return k. The judge will test your solution with the following code. Assert. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need to read this. If all assertions pass, then your solution will be accepted. Example 1. Nums is 3, 2, 2, 3, and value is 3. So we're gonna get 2, 2, and then 3's will be at the end. It doesn't matter. Explanation: your function should return k equals 2 with the first two elements of nums being 2. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return k, hence they are underscores. Okay, I think it's clear enough. So the idea is, let's start the chess. Sorry, let's go here, play. Okay, so the chess is on. We're playing rapid. Let's go here. I think this should be first. Okay, so what we're doing, guys, we're gonna take oh, this is not. Wait. You're not seeing the board. Wait a second. Okay, and here, go here, there's no increment, so I have to play fast. Okay. So for the code, we have to put all the elements that are equal to val in the end. How do we do that? I think Can we play this? Okay, I think we just switch the last element. We go through the array, and once we find val an element equals to val, we switch it with the last element. Then we go on, we find another one, switch it with the element before the last element. I think that's the way. But first we have to know how many elements are equal to val, so that we don't keep looping endlessly. So consider this is the array, and we already finished the job. So we have here 3 elements equal to val. Are we going to, when the index reaches these 3 elements, it's gonna keep switching them, right? Because we're gonna switch this element with the last element, then go through, switch again. So yeah, but it could simply stop. Okay, let's start coding. Just play this move and start coding. Okay. Let me show you where we're gonna code here. Okay. So this function should be returning an integer, which is the number of elements equal to val. So 4 e equals to 0. I haven't been coding in Java since a long time, so I may do some mistakes. Inferior to nums dot length, right? So now numbers dot length minus I think. So it's the first one. I have to switch it. Minus I minus 1 minus I. Okay. Let's put this. Okay. I think this is the right way. So each time we're switching this element with this element. If it's the first element that has the val, we're switching it with the last element. And we're incrementing k. I think that's the way to go. But wait, we can get to the end and keep looping. So the problem with this code is that we can get to the end. We can get to the end of the array and keep looping because we already assembled all the vals there that are equal to val. So we have 3, 3, 3, 3 in the end, for example. So the index is gonna keep switching and adding k's, incrementing k, although it's not supposed to be there. It's not supposed to be incremented. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a loop first to count how many vals that are equal to val in the array, so that we know when to stop. We're gonna do the same loop. I can still go here, but you could just go here and be very annoying. Then I have to go here and I'm dead, so I should not be doing this. Let's go here. If he harasses me, I go back. Okay. So let's try. Does this code work? Let's see. I don't think it will work from the first time. Line 16, line 16, 16, 16. Of course, semicolon. That's it, submit. Let's see. Compile error, cannot find symbol, line 5. Nums.length. Okay, let's go here. I have no choice. He'll take this. I have to go here. He's still his knight could be trapped. Could be trapped if I attack it without him bringing the queen somewhere and being annoying. He should be bringing the queen here. Yeah. Okay. Let's go here. Sorry, you just save this here. Okay, this one we're gonna save in an integer t. So integer t, it's gonna take the last element or one of the last elements. Save it in t. We're gonna take this last element. We're gonna save it in t. We're gonna take the index I element, put it in there. This one here. What the fuck? Yeah, sorry. This is I. This is the way to do it here. Let's play knight here. If he takes, we will push and take the bishop eventually. Okay. So. Okay, and then here. I don't know why I got confused. I've done this at least 1,000 times. T. Okay. Now we switch them. If you don't know why we created T, it's a must. Otherwise, you're gonna lose one of the values. You have to save it in an integer. Okay, let's try now. Come on, let's. Okay, he played. What did he play? Let's go here. Just take. مثل الهوى ولا مية يصافيرني بلاها. 20 seconds. I always lose on time. Warni. No. Yes. This is checkmate in the way. I think there's a checkmate in the way. I could checkmate him. Here we go. Be He has to go here, I think. Otherwise, I'll take... If he moves the rook, he loses. I think I'm swapping the wrong... I'm not putting them in the end. I think I'm just not putting the elements in the end of the array. Okay, let's try another approach, which is yeah. Yes. I know what's wrong now. Now I understand what's wrong. It's checkmate. If he goes here, I'll go here and checkmate him. Oh, wait, he has this here. It's over. You lose. Du verlierst, my friend. If you're watching, where are you watching from? I just want to know what's my audience. Who is my audience? Who are people watching this stupid man? I'll just go here. Go here. Oh wait, it's not mate. Fuck. Is that we are not. So the wrong thing here is we are not putting the elements in the end. When we do this, I is always incrementing. It's always incrementing. If that element is equal to val, or even if it's not. So when it's always incrementing, we're not putting the elements at the end, but even if they are not equal, we're putting elements like before the end of the array. So now what we're gonna do is here integer y equals to nums.length minus 1 minus 1 20 times I here it's gonna be y. We put y. Where do we put y? Put y here. GCN plus. And here we decrement y. Come on, now you have to work. You have to work now. No, so I'm gonna, no, this, I'm gonna remove it and repeat, okay? Something went wrong, I have to repeat, okay. So now we know what is k, okay? The number of integers in the array that are not equal to val. I think that's clear. Okay, so now that's what we have. Now we want to put these elements that are not equal to val in the end. Or that are equal to val in the end, sorry, that are equal to val in the end. So we're gonna loop, and each time we put it there. Exactly, okay. Okay, for integer I equals 0, I inferior, I inferior, okay, we will do it. Nums get length, and we will increment I. This is not optimal, I think, but if different nums I equals val, what are we going to do? Okay, so here we're gonna put y equals nums dot length minus 1. That's the last element of the array, okay? Here we're gonna switch. Nums I is gonna be saved in, sorry, nums y is gonna be saved in t, for example. So here integer t is equals to nums I. Now in nums I we're gonna save nums y. Nums y is gonna get t. I think that's logic, okay? That's logical, so that's what you should be doing. So, and we should decrement y each time, so we are not in the last element of the array with before that, until we save all the integers in the array that are equal to val in the end of the array. Okay. And then we should return val. Okay, let's see. Okay, we didn't initialize it. Okay, more tests were passed, but you're still wrong. Nums equals val equals it's weird. I don't know what. I think there's something wrong. There's something wrong, but I cannot figure it out. Okay, let's see the solution. Let's see the solution. Maybe we missed something. Let's see the solution. Java solution, please. Okay, initialize. This is the number that we're returning. Okay. So integer nums.length minus 1. 4 okay, this is the same thing I did, but if else, what? Does this really work? Let's go here with the knight. Okay, I suppose it works, so if it's equal else, so if it's equal, if nums I is equal to val, we should put it in the end, okay? Nums I takes nums G. That's not right. This cannot be right. Right? Because nums I nums G nums I gets nums G. What if that's the problem? What if nums G is himself a val? So you're gonna put it inside the array, you're gonna bring it inside the array, not at the end now? I don't think this works. Let's try it. Let's see. Will it work? Okay. Let's go here. It works, but I think it's the wrong answer. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't check all the possibilities, or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But for him it works. I missed something. Great. Let's go here. I'm still okay though. Okay, so let's see another problem.